Are you ready to transform your school into a portal to the past? With time-traveling inventors, education meets excitement as your students embark on a journey through history.
Oh, man. Well, this is my friend Cosmo. Everybody say, hey, Cosmo!
With Cosmo's crazy time machine, Benjamin Franklin drops by your school to show off his electric personality.
What? Are you Benjamin Franklin?
Why, yes, of course I am. The greatest inventor of all time.
Participation? This show is chock full of it.
Why, thank you for that kind introduction, my friend.
Who invented the internet? Why, it's Tim Berners-Lee, and he'll talk about how his ideas have changed our world.
In 1991, I invented something called the World Wide Web. You know it as the Internet.
So what are you waiting for? Contact SchoolAssemblies.com right now and book an assembly where history meets hilarity and education explodes into excitement.